Well, after finishing up a load of laundry here in Las Vegas, I stopped at a Planet Fitness, got a quick workout in, and hit the showers. So we are clean in just about every way that we can be, short of a car wash. And Bruce really isn't too dirty right now, so I'm not too worried about that. Alrighty, well there is the famous Pawn Stars Pawn Shop. Oh, wait a sec. Hang on. There it is, Dad. Check it out. Well, here you guys go. Rick Harrison has a cameo. Hit him up, get a personalized message. Wow. Well, that was just a small scene in the movie that is Las Vegas. This place is crazy. It is a Sunday night and this place is going crazy. I mean, I have never seen anything like this before. Even if you just drive down the main drag here in Las Vegas, it's gonna be a very interesting experience. Also, there's an airport right across the street and there are dozens of private jets. Celebrities just flying in to perform. People that just come to spend a little time in Vegas and have their own private jet. I'm now gonna leave Vegas and go find my campsite for the night and let my eyes rest for a little bit. I think I've got neon burned into my retinas at this point. But yeah, what a fascinating place. It's so crazy, so weird, so crazy. Yeah, check it out. Good morning from Lake Mead. I'm actually just off the shoreline of Lake Mead. There are actually wild donkeys all around me right now, and they're very vocal. So it's been a very interesting morning. That's actually how I woke up, to a donkey screaming outside my window. So such a cool spot. And yeah, I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then get the day started.
Man that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project.